guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be on how I make my chocolate covered strawberries. Today is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to all of you guys. I know by the time this video is uploaded and posted, it may be a few days after, so please forgive me in advance. Now for the ingredients, you will need some strawberries, of course, vinegar, your choice of chocolate. I have the white chocolate as well as the milk chocolate, and I have it in the chips form. I also have some wax paper, some toothpicks, and then I placed this wax paper onto my baking sheet. Okay, so now I want to start off by washing my berries. So I'm filling the sink up with some cool running water, and then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of white vinegar to it. Then I'm just going to go ahead and place the berries in that water. I'm going to let them sit for a few minutes or so, and then take them out and let them dry. Okay, so while my berries are drying on the rack, I want to go ahead and start the process of melting my chocolate. Okay guys, so as far as the chocolate goes, I like to let it melt in the microwave, and I like to let it go for about 15 seconds at a time until it's all completely melted. So you don't want to just let it go longer than that, because the chocolate can easily burn, and then you have to start your process all over again. So I like to do it for about 15 seconds or so. Mix the chocolate up and then place it back in the microwave for another 15 seconds, and then I just continue to do that until the chocolate is all melted. Okay, so this is about 30 seconds that it's been in so far, and as you can see, it's getting there, but it's not quite there. So I'm going to put it in for another 15 seconds, and I think that should do it. Okay guys, so now I have both of my chocolates right here cooling, and as you can see, I already started placing the toothpicks within the strawberries. This right here is optional, but it does make it a lot easier to grip the berries as you're dipping them in the chocolate, and it also helps with preventing the leaves from breaking. Okay guys, so this is the last berry that I left for you guys, just to show you how I go ahead and place the toothpick in. I like to usually do it in the center. Some people like to dip the toothpick in the chocolate first and then place it in there, and so I don't go all the way down where it'll poke through. So I say about midway through the strawberry should be fine. So hold the leaves up against the toothpick. Tilt the cup just a little and just twirl the berry around until I have it covered in chocolate. I like to kind of go up a little close to the leaves and then twirl it around, and I just place it on the wax paper to finish drying. Okay guys, so I am done dipping all of my strawberries. As you can see, I tried to add a little design to some of them. Well, I guess majority of them. So now I'll be placing them in the refrigerator and just letting them finish drying. And once they are done, I will let you guys see how they look. I left the berries in the fridge for about 3 hours, and once they were dry, I removed the toothpicks from them and placed them in these cupcake liners you see right here. As you can see, some are plain and then some I did with a little design or added toppings. I did not record how those were done only because I wanted this to be more of a beginner's friendly video. So let me know down in the comments below if you would like for me to make a video on how I did those, and I'll do it as a part 2. And also, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in this video. Happy Valentine's Day once again. Please be sure to like this video, leave a comment or other videos you may be interested in. Share with all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. So we made sure the entire house got something for Valentine's Day. And also Adrian got my favorite seafood Newbird that he orders every year from his job. And it is so good. This one right here, we still have to cook it. But they already have it set up with all of the cooking instructions and stuff. But happy Valentine's Day to everyone.